Master Electrician Examination. This is for educational purposes only. This video is made by Registered Master Electrician of the Philippines. The Journeyman Closed Book Exam Part 1. Number 1. Blank can be generated. 1. Electricity. 2. Electrical energy. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is B. 2 only. Number 2. The phenomenon whereby a circuit stores electrical energy is called blank. A. Inductance. B. Capacitance. C. Resistance. D. Susceptance.
Capacitance.
The correct answer is B. Capacitance. Number 3. A general term including material, fittings, devices, appliances, fixtures, apparatus, and the like used as a part of, or in connection with, an electrical installation is blank. A. Premises wiring system. B. Service equipment. C. Utilization equipment. D. Equipment.
Service equipment.
The correct answer is D. Equipment. Number 4. A switch intended for use in general distribution and branch circuits. It is rated in amperes, and it is capable of interrupting its rated current at its rated voltage. Is a blank switch. A. Bypass isolation. B. General use. C. Isolating. D. Transfer.
Bypass insulating.
The correct answer is B. General use. Number 5. The permanent joining of metallic parts to form an electrically conductive path that will ensure electrical continuity and the capacity to conduct safely any current likely to be imposed is known as blank. A. Ordinary tap joint. B. Scarf joint. C. Britannia joint. D. Bonding.
Ordinary tap joint.
The correct answer is D. Bonding. Number 6. An instrument that is used to measure the diameter of a wire or cable to thousandths of an inch is a blank. A. Galvanometer. B. Micrometer. C. Hydrometer. D. Ruler.
Roller or micrometer.
The correct answer is B. Micrometer. Number 7. A squirrel cage motor can be started at full voltage. 1. Design A. 2. Design B. 3. Design C. 4. Design D. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 8. A blank is a braking system for an electric motor. 1. Friction braking. 2. Plugging. 3. Dynamic braking. A. 1 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.
Plugging.
The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Number 9. Rigid metal conduit is permitted for wiring in hazardous locations if the conduit is threaded and made up wrench tight with at least blank full threads. A. 4. B. 5. C. 7. D. 9.
Find popular home and garden suppliers on Alibaba.com. Contact verified supply, lower purchase costs.
Tuwing naipag-meet ako sa mga friends ko, lagi na lang ako natatakot. Baka hindi sapat ang pera ko pag check out na.
4.
The correct answer is B. 5 full threads. Number 10. A circuit breaker that has purposefully introduced a delay in the tripping action in which delay decreases as the magnitude of the current increases is a blank circuit breaker. A. Inverse time. B. Adjustable. C. Control vented. D. Vented power.
Control vented.
The correct answer is A. Inverse time. Number 11. It is the intent of this code that factory-installed internal wiring or the construction of equipment need not be inspected at the time of installation of the equipment, except to blank. 1. Detect alteration. 2. Detect damage. 3. Detect insulation type. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.
B.
The correct answer is C. 1 and 2 only.
Option.
Number 12. A premises wiring system whose power is derived from a source such as a transformer that has no direct connection to the supply conductors originating in another system is a blank system. A. Integrated. B. Separately derived. C. Interactive. D. Isolated. The correct answer is B. Separately derived. Number 13. Listed or labeled equipment shall be installed, used, or both, in accordance with any instructions included, blank. 1. By the foreman. 2. In the listing or labeling. 3. With the equipment from the manufacturer. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D.
C.
1, 2, and 3. The correct answer is C. 2 and 3 only. Number 14. Where conductors with an ampacity higher than the ampere rating or setting of the overcurrent device are used, the blank shall determine the circuit rating. A. Conductor ampacity. B. Overcurrent device. C. Combined rating. D. Direct ampacity.
B.
The correct answer is B. Overcurrent devices. Number 15. Blank are permitted to protect motor branch circuit conductors from overload. 1. Thermal relay. 2. Inverse time circuit breakers. 3. Time delay fuses. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.
D.
The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Number 16. The power factor of an incandescent light bulb would be blank. A. Unity. B. 0.7 leading. C. 0.7 lagging. D. 0.
C.
The correct answer is A. Unity. Number 17. Blank is a pliable raceway. 1. EMT. 2. EMT. 3. PVC. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.
C or D? C.
The correct answer is B. 2 only. EMT.
Empty. Rice whipper.
Number 18. Flexible cords and cables shall be protected by blank where passing through holes in covers, outlet boxes, or similar enclosures. 1. Fittings. 2. Bushings. 3. Tie wraps. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only.
C.
The correct answer is D. 1 and 2 only. Number 19. A transformer would most likely have blank efficiency. A. 60%. B. 70%. C. 80%. D. 90%. The correct answer is D. 90% efficiency for transformer. Number 20. When alternating current flows through a conductor, there is an inductive action that causes the current in the conductor to be forced toward the outer surface. The current is greater at the surface than at the center of the conductor. This blank will cause the resistance in the conductor to increase due to the increased heating of the conductor. A. Capacitive effect. B. Skin effect. C. Conductive effect. D. Outer effect. The correct answer is B. Skin effect. Number 21. A value assigned to a circuit or system for the purpose of conveniently designating its voltage class is blank. A. Nominal voltage. B. Voltage to ground. C. Voltage of a circuit. D. Voltage.
Voltage to ground.
The correct answer is A. Nominal voltage. Number 22. A type of AC motor that runs at a constant speed and is used for such purposes as an electric clock motor is a blank motor. A. AC squirrel cage. B. AC induction. C. Wound rotor induction. D. Synchronous.
Synchronous or asynchronous?
The correct answer is D. Synchronous. Number 23. Blank is the resistance at the point of contact of two conductors or one conductor and another surface. A. Conductor resistance. B. Contact resistance. C. Resistance per meter per foot. D. Resistance per carry per foot.
Conductor resistance.
The correct answer is B. Contact resistance. Number 24. Blank is or are classified as a conduit body. 1. LB fittings. 2. FS fittings. 3. LR fittings. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only.
2, 1 and 3. D.
The correct answer is D. 1 and 3 only. Number 25. Blank. Raceways are not suitable to enclose conductors that are subject to physical damage. A. Rigid metal conduit. B. Intermediate metal conduit. C. PVC Schedule 40. D. PVC Schedule 80. The correct answer is C. PVC Schedule 40. Number 26. Although power failure in an industrial plant is most likely caused by blank. A. Insufficient resistive loads. B. Insufficient inductive loads. C. Excessive resistive loads. D. Lack of synchronous condenser. The correct answer is A. Insufficient resistance loads. Number 27. Where lighting outlets are installed in interior stairways, there shall be a wall switch at each floor level to control the lighting where the difference between floor levels is blank steps or more. A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8.
4. Only 2.
The correct answer is C. 6 steps. Number 28. A voltage or current that is reversed at regular intervals is called blank voltage or current. 1. Direct. 2. Steady state. 3. Sinusoidal. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. 3 only. Sinusoidal voltage. Number 29. Of the following, blank is a false statement. A. The term kilowatt indicates the measure of power which is all available for work. B. The term kilovolt amperes indicate the apparent power made up of an energy component and a wattless or induction component. C. In an industrial plant, lower power factor is usually due to underloaded induction motors. D. The power factor of a motor is much greater at partial loads than at full loads.
E.
The correct answer is D. Greater is false. Number 30. It is generally not good practice to supply lights and motors from the same circuit because blank. A. Lamps for satisfactory service must operate within closer voltage limits than motors. B. Overloads and short circuits are more common on motor circuits. C. When motors are started, the large starting current causes a voltage drop on the circuit and the lights will blink or burn dim. D. All of these.
All of this.
The correct answer is D. All of these. Number 31. In general, motors are designed to operate in a maximum ambient temperature of blank, unless specifically designed for a higher temperature. A. 60 degrees Celsius. B. 50 degrees Celsius. C. 45 degrees Celsius. D. 40 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is D. 40 degrees Celsius. Number 32. A type of single-phase motor that can be operated on either AC or DC is a blank motor. A. Multi-speed. B. Capacitor start. C. Universal. D. Repulsion induction.
Universal.
The correct answer is C. Universal motor. Number 33. For screw shell devices with attached leads, the conductor attached to the screw shell shall be blank in color. A. White or gray. B. Orange. C. Green. D. Black.
Red.
The correct answer is A. White or gray. Number 34. Branch circuit conductors shall have an ampacity not less than blank. A. The load increased 125%. B. 100% of the load to be served. C. 80% of the load to be served. D. 125% of the continuous load plus 80% of the non-continuous load. The correct answer is B. 100%. Number 35. A switch when intended for isolating an electric circuit from the source of power that has no interrupting rating, and it is intended to be operated only after the circuit has been opened by some other means is a blank. A. Isolating switch. B. Bypass isolation switch. C. General use switch. D. Transfer switch. The correct answer is A. Isolating switch. Number 36. Raceways or cable trays containing electric conductors shall not contain blank. 1. Pipe for steam. 2. Tube for air. 3. Pipe for water. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.
1.
The correct answer is D. 1, 2, and 3. Number 37. Not readily accessible to persons unless special means for access are used is blank. A. Elevated. B. Guarded. C. Isolated. D. Listed. The correct answer is C. Isolated. Number 38. After cutting conduit, to remove the rough edges on both ends, the conduit ends should be blank. A. Sanded. B. Shaped. C. Burnished. D. Ground. The correct answer is C. Burnished. Number 39. The instrument used to indicate phase relation between current and voltage is the blank. A. Megger. B. Power factor meter. RC. Voltmeter. D. Galvanometer. The correct answer is B. Power factor meter. Number 40. To calculate the VA, one needs to know the blank. A. Voltage and current. B. Impedance and conductance. C. Resistance and impedance. D. Ohms and resistance.
Resistance. Huh?
The correct answer is A. Voltage and current. Number 41. You have an adjustable trip coil rated at 5 amps on a 200 amp switch. If you want to switch to trip at 120 amps, the trip coil should be set at blank. A. 2 amps. B. 3 amps. C. 4 amps. D. 5 amps. The correct answer is B. 3 amps. Number 42. When an ammeter is disconnected from an in-service current transformer, the secondary terminals of the current transformer must be blank. A. Shorted. B. Open. C. Disconnected. D. Grounded.
Open.
The correct answer is A. Shorted. Number 43. Reactance will cause the current in a circuit to vary only when blank. A. AC current flows. B. DC current flows. C. There is no resistance in the circuit. D. There is a resistance in the circuit. The correct answer is A. AC current flows. Number 44. Motors 1/3 and 1/8 horsepower are connected parallel. Those motors deliver a total of blank. A. 1 horsepower. B. 7/8 horsepower. C. 17/24 horsepower. D. 0.07 horsepower. The correct answer is C. 17/24 horsepower. Number 45. Flexible cords and cables shall not be used blank. A. For wiring of cranes and hoists. B. For prevention of the transmission of noise or vibration. C. To run through holes in floors. C. Simply to facilitate frequent interchange. The correct answer is C. Not through holes. Number 46. A fixture that weighs more than blank shall be supported independently of the outlet box. A. 25 pounds. B. 30 pounds. C. 50 pounds. D. 75 pounds. The correct answer is C. 50 pounds. Number 47. The force which moves electrons from atom to atom through a closed conducting path is called blank. A. Flux. B. Resistance. C. Admittance. D. EMF. The correct answer is D. EMF or electromotive force. Number 48. An advantage of a 240-volt system compared with a 120-volt system of the same wattage is blank. A. Reduced voltage drop. B. Reduced power used. C. Large currents. D. Lower electrical pressure. The correct answer is A. Reduced voltage drop. Number 49. A resistor has an indicated tolerance error of 10% with the value of 1000 ohms. The minimum resistance the resistor may have is blank. A. 1100 ohms. B. 990 ohms. C. 910 ohms. D. 900 ohms. The correct answer is D. 900 ohms. Number 50. A transformer has a primary voltage of 120 volts and a secondary voltage of 480 volts. If there are 40 turns on the primary, the secondary contains blank. A. 10 turns. B. 40 turns. C. 120 turns. D. 160 turns. The correct answer is D. 160 turns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.